This is not the time for being happy. This is not the time to think for any other things. This is not the time to think about any other opportunities. This is not the time to think of travel. And this is not the time or situation for being grateful. Rather, this is the time to think about the current situation, be it coronavirus or all the bad things happening like businesses closing down, jobs layoff, lack of money and resources, problems, and only problems. So, this is the time to think and focus on our current situations and all the problems related to that. This is the time for complaining, feeling bad, cursing, frustrating, being angry, being negative, being fearful, being anxious, and being depressed. This is the time to imagine the worst things happening more and more. Majority of people falls in this category. They are the worriers. Are you one of them? Take your time. Think and then answer to yourself. There are other people too, however, very few. Those who are not thinking all day about the problems, but thinking and acting on finding the solutions. They are learning and upgrading themselves. They are seeing the time as an opportunity. They are still grateful for many other things. They are strong enough. They are working hard. They have the hope. They have the faith. They are motivated. They are positive, energetic, and encouraging others too at this difficult time. They are looking at the opportunities coming into their way and grabbing them. They are the warriors. Are you one of them? Answer to yourself. Are you a warrior or warrior? This is the time for self-realization. This is the time of awakening. This is the time to discover who you really are. If you are the warrior, then congratulations, as you are bigger than your problems. You are strong enough to fight with the situation and can make any setback into a comeback. If you are a warrior, then no need to disappoint, as still you can change yourself. You can change your thinking, you can change your beliefs, your assumptions, and your feelings. So commit to yourself that no matter how bad the situation is or how bad it gets, you are going to make it. Live the life the way you want it.